welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I want to show you how to quickly make rice paper seal. So to begin with, we'll be needing a bowl of water. Today I want to make a clear seal, so I'll not be coloring my seal, but if you want to color your seal, it means that you have to add color to this water. If for instance you want to make a yellow seal, you add a yellow color to this water. If you want to make a blue one, you add a blue color. If you want a lighter shade, it means the amount of color you'll be adding to your water is going to be light, going to be little. You're going to make your water light in color as well. But today I'll be using only water because I want my seal to be clear. Now we have water, we have rice paper. This is what rice paper looks like. My silicone mat. This is what I'll be using to dry my seal. So to begin, I'll take my water and I'll dip my rice paper into it. You want to get a bowl that is wide enough that can actually contain your rice paper, so that you don't risk breaking it or doing any harm to your rice paper. So I just want to dip this into water. Now I want it to soak. So as you can see, I'm dipping both sides, and if you can see, it's beginning to soften. Now because I'm a little bit in a hurry, I don't want it to be too soft so that it can dry quickly. So you can see that it's beginning to soften. So I'll continue to dip it in water. Now you don't want this to be too soft, so that it will be easy for you to manipulate it and shape it into whatever you like. If it gets too soft, it's going to be kind of messy and you might not be able to form it to whatever you like. So at this point, I think I'm okay with this. So I'll be taking my water aside and I'll be spreading the rice paper onto my mat like this. Now what I'm trying to do now is to shape it into what I want. Now what I want is something that is elongated and is not smooth. So that is what I'm trying to achieve. You see, I'm pinching and stretching here and there to achieve what I want. So now that I'm done shaping this into what I want to insert a skewer into it so that it's going to make it easy for me to be able to insert it into my cake. So I'm going to gently pick this part up and I'm going to roll it around my skewer. You want to do it gently. You just want it to wrap around it so that when it dries up, it can be firm around the skewer so that you can use that part to poke it into your cake. And this is what I've done. And I'll leave it and I'm going to let this dry. If you're in a hurry, you can dry this in your oven, but you have to be very careful and watch it closely. Or you can just dry this overnight. So I'll quickly be drying this inside my oven because I'm a little bit in a hurry. So when it is dry, I'll bring it back and show you what it looks like. So this is what my rice paper looks like after it has dried up in the oven. Can you see? I ended up putting a rolling pin underneath this mat to give it this shape because I didn't want it to be just straight. So this is what it is looking like. I hope you've learned a thing or two from this video. Please don't forget to like, share, and please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye.
So to the big announcement, I'll be holding a free class very soon, and I already attached the flyer for the free class at the end of this video. But I'll be opening up a private group for the class very soon, and I do not want you to miss it. And I'll be posting that link on my Instagram page. So if you are not following me on Instagram yet, please go and follow me on Instagram. My handle is @lattice_confectionsng. That's it on the screen. So please go and follow me on Instagram so you don't miss the link to join the class. And thank you so much for always coming to see my videos. Bye bye.